Good morning everyone. Today we are going to understand how to download Oracle database, okay, and how to install SQL developer tool also, okay. So first thing is that you have to visit a website called oracle.com, okay. So like this, oracle.com, visit the website, click on the view account, okay. Then if your account is not created, okay, then click on create an account. Fill this form, enter your email ID carefully here, enter the password. Later you will get one verification email on the same email address, okay, which you will mention here, okay. So enter your email ID carefully, your password also, enter your all information and click on the create account. Once you click on the create account, you will get one email from Oracle for verification purpose. In that email you have to click on the verify button, okay. Now once your account is created properly, okay, then again visit to oracle.com. Here click on view account, click on sign in. Where is sign in, man? Click on the view account, buddy. Fine, we got it. Click on the view account, okay, and click on sign in. Once you click on the sign in, enter your username here and your password and click on sign in button. Fine, okay. So here you have to click on the resources. So we got this third option, right? Product, industries and resources. So click on this. Then here you will get download. In the download you will get developer downloads, okay. Click on that. Now here you will get in the middle one option like developer download, okay. In that click on the database. Now in the database click on database express edition. If you can check, you will get lot of other software here like MySQL, then you will get JDK also, okay, WebLogic also. Lot of tools are here, but we are going for database express edition. In that we will get Oracle database 21c, okay. This is the latest version. So click on this Oracle database 21c. It will take up to 30 minutes, okay. This is the Oracle database 21c, okay, for Windows. If you have Linux machine, you can go for the Linux, but I am having Windows, so I will go for this. So once you click on the link, it will start download automatically. Parallelly, what we will do is that we will download the SQL developer tool also. So on the Google we have to search download SQL developer for Windows, okay. Here go to oracle.com, same option. Here you will get the SQL developer tool. So we have an option like Windows 64-bit with JDK 11, okay. So in my system I don't have the JDK 11 software, so I will go for this one. Click on the download. Just click on the checkbox and then click on this button. Guys, see, your internet connection should be very good, okay, because these software are of bigger size. If you check here, Oracle database is of 1.8 GB, okay, and SQL developer is of 444 MB. So if you have less internet speed, okay, then it may take more time, but your network connection should be stable, else it will fail, okay. So in the next session, okay, we will understand how to install this software. So now I am stopping this session, okay, because we have to wait for some time. It will take at least 30 minutes, okay. If you check here, see, the time is varying like 1 hour left and 7 minutes for this SQL developer, 30 minutes for this Oracle XE. So it will take some time, okay. So once this software will get downloaded, okay, then in the next session we will understand how to install. So now I'm stopping the video, okay guys, and this is my first video, so please support to this channel, okay. Here I will post videos of a lot of things like Java, Oracle, Angular. Okay, so thanks a lot. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.